Hello everyone and welcome back to the Coos Art Museum's Art Lessons Online, where we bring the art into your home. Today I want to share with you a quick way to make a fun little picture frame. All it takes is a couple of folds and a dab of glue and you've got a really cool little picture frame to go around your square art piece. For your supplies, you're going to need first your picture. Now, this picture frame is only square, so if you have a rectangle shaped picture, it might not work so well. The picture frame fits two different ways. One is with a picture that is exactly the same size as the starting paper, and you'll see that it'll just kind of dog-ear the edges. Or if you have a piece that's slightly smaller, you can use the inside matte effect. It's best to use a paper that has a different pattern on each side. So I'm using some scrapbook paper that has a pattern on one side but is white on the other side. If you're at a loss for finding the right kind of paper, a quick tip is to use wrapping paper. Just make sure that the paper is cut to the exact same size as your picture in a square format. You're also going to need 4 sheets. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to fold each paper piece, and then you'll just take this design and repeat it 3 more times so you'll have a total of 4 pieces. So you'll notice I have my square piece of paper and I have the blank side and the pattern side. I'm going to have the pattern side up. I'm going to fold this corner to the top corner to make a triangle shape. Give that a good crease. Once you have this triangle shape, you're going to open it up and you'll see you have this diagonal crease line. I'm going to take this edge and fold it over along this crease. It's going to make another triangle shape. Just like that. So I have this little wing folded in, kind of looks like an ice cream cone, but you'll notice I have this a bit overhanging here. Once your paper looks like this, you're going to flip it over and you're going to take this overhang part, this part right here, and you're going to fold it back. Keep this diagonal line onto this diagonal line and fold it back right here. You'll know you did it right if you can't really see much of it on this side because it's all over here. Now I'm going to flip this over so the back again to where the main print is facing up, and I'm going to fold along this diagonal line. I'm going to fold this over. So you'll know this part is right if you have a small printed triangle, a blank triangle shape, and a very large triangle shape. We're almost done. One more fold and then a tuck. For this last fold, we're going to fold right along this edge and fold this triangle part over top of here. When you open this up a little bit, you'll notice that this makes a bit of a pocket right here, and you're going to tuck this flap right into there. This holds your piece nice and secure. Let's do a quick review. Starting with your square piece, print side up, fold diagonal, and open back up. Fold this edge to the diagonal, and flip. Fold this top overhang piece back on itself, and flip. Now flip this over onto itself, creating your 3 triangles, and fold this edge over on top. Tuck your flap, and it's done. Feel free to use different patterns of paper to create a unique looking frame or keep them all the same. But again, you'll need 4 of these to make your finished frame. Once you have all 4 pieces, it's time to assemble. Remember that small triangle that has the pocket? We're going to simply tuck in the edge of one piece into that pocket, and if you want to secure it, you can add a little dab of glue. So there's your first corner of your frame completed. Now rotate that piece and tuck that into the next pocket. Repeat on all 4 sides and your frame is complete. To insert your artwork, just tuck it into the little pockets and it will show through on the window on the other side. If you use glue to secure your pieces, you'll notice that one side will not be tuckable or the other side will. So if you're like, I can't, my pockets aren't working, flip it over and use the other side. If you make your own picture frame, we'd love to see it, so use the hashtag #CamArtAtHome to share your artwork with us. For more art videos and information about the Coos Art Museum, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.